to the gym. First day back at the gym. I almost forgot what to bring, but I did have my towel and my water, and I put a little bit of liquid IV in there to get me going, because honestly I'm not sure what I'm in store for, but I want to make sure I'm prepared. So I'm gonna take it nice and easy, walk, some stretches. Obviously we gotta go straight to the stuff that we hate: sit-ups, push-ups. Those we'll start light, but we ain't gonna do too much. The machines here look tempting, but I'm not gonna touch them because I'm not trying to be hurt tomorrow. So baby steps. Feels good. Happy. I can already see myself with my new body. Lots of body. Not really. I don't have that much body, but we're gonna have a body, a better body. Quick stop to the grocery store. It's super hot outside. Hot. Going home, take a shower, cook some dinner, fold some laundry, watch some YouTube content, pick up the babies, and do it all over again. I hope everyone's having a good day. Let me know what you're doing on your end today. Today is Wednesday. Productive. I've been up since I dropped the kids off, went to the gym, had breakfast, went to the gym, and now I am about to go home, have some lunch. I'm thinking I'm gonna make a chicken salad, which would be good. I'm looking forward to my chicken salad. Apples, bananas, Brussels sprouts, strawberries, fruits. I need the fruits. Mushrooms, the juices for the kids, topping, chicken. This is the chicken I like to eat with my salads. My tomato, lemon, more cheese, and I'm gonna try this with my shakes just to see if I like it. And of course, water and formula as per usual. Horrible, so I plan to fix it up and organize it this week. Turns out I don't have any flour, and I'm making eggplant parmesan. Can't make eggplant parm without flour, so off to the grocery store we go again. I don't know how I forgot that. I thought I ordered that the other day from when I had ordered my order from Instacart, but perhaps I didn't realize that I never got it, so it's fine. And it's cool because I did want to get 2 seasonings anyways, which I didn't remember to get, so I can get some Italian seasoning that I needed to get, some bay leaf. I think that's it. I really did not feel like doing this. I even threw on what I had on in the house, and that's usually not like me. I'm like, whatever. It's gonna be what it's gonna be. It's what it is. Look, don't look. Mind your business. Mind your business. Hot mess, but I don't really care. I'm cooking dinner. How are you? Okay. Too much, not too much. Wow, some pepper. Wash and go so you don't have a mess later. Ooh, the knife isn't, I'm not cutting into the right knife, so it's fine. And I'm in a rush, so I don't really, it's not my concern right now. Actually, that knife, even up. You okay, Zuri? What's wrong? You want to eat something? Okay, when we get home, we're going to eat some food, okay? Did you have a good day today? That's good.
Mommy, look, outside.
The playground?
Yeah, outside.
Yeah. No playground today, though, Zuri. Did you go to playground at school? Did you go to the playground at school? All done? Okay. I wish I had a translator because I feel like you're being sassy. Wait, what? What? They say girls are sassy. God gave me 2 of them. What? Who's laughing with you, Gracie? Jeez. God has a sense of humor. God has a sense of humor. Zuri, grab the sweater right here. Take it with you, please. And that's crazy. You're gonna have to wash that really good. That's crazy. I'm not sure what's going on over here, Gracie, but you look a hot mess. All right, taking off our shoes, and then we're gonna wash our hands. Take your time. Go ahead, pull the strap on the side. Take your time. There you go, good job. Now we're gonna go put it in the basket. Good job, go put your shoes in your basket. Go ahead, open the door and put your shoes in your basket. You don't need to open this one, baby. Just put your shoes inside the basket. Good job. Now you can close the door. Good job, Zuzu. Time to wash our hands. You are so demanding. Mommy, come.
Mommy, Mommy,
after you eat. When you're eating, you can have some. Not right now. Put it back. It's okay if you want to cry. Mommy said not now. Say, sister, you're going to have to wait. We're going to wait. Wait for dinner. Say, dinner time. Say, it's dinner time. Can I have it? Thank you. Go ahead. Go, take a seat, please. Let me help you. Go ahead, sit. I'm so exhausted. I forgot how the gym can just like drain you. Like you feel good, but then you feel drained. I felt good immediately after working out, but now I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't wait for bedtime. welcome. All right, go, 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 go. Bye. Get away from the kitchen. Run, run, run. Go get her, Gracie. Go get her, Gracie. Run. Go get her, Gracie. Go get her. You okay?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Are you stuck? You stuck? You stuck?